Hey guys, Delmedico SVG. I'm here down at the Houghtaling parking lot claim center. This is the first WTS VIP ticketed event on the road to Win a Storm. You guys know we're doing the Win a Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo on February 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Really leading up to the WTS VIP events, which are themed events, which John's been a big part of helping put together. Tuesday night, we got the Ferrari garage.
Yeah, we'll have a tour of the garage and we'll have a little event there. And then the next night, we're having a big event at the house.
John's house, the Brown Mansion.
And I want to thank you for bringing Win a Storm to the Bourbon View Room, which is the next night.
Mardi Gras opens the same week as the Win a Storm Conference. Thursday night's kind of an official, non-official kickoff.
Yep.
And John hooked us up with the Bourbon View Room, which is the largest balcony overlooking Bourbon Street.
Yeah.
And of course, Friday night we got the World War II Museum, which is a very large facility, which everybody can come to. It holds 4,000 or 5,000.
Yeah.
But again, the VIP ticket holders, we sit at the round tables in the front of Industry Award Night, so it's a special experience. So guys, take a look at that WTS VIP ticket curriculum. It's special this year, and it's worth every penny. See you soon.